Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Mint Battle Axe in Grounded. First, you'll need to venture into the sandbox biome. Look for the large, green mint container. This container holds the crucial ingredient for your powerful new weapon. Be prepared for some challenging enemies in this area, but the reward is definitely worth the effort. We'll cover all the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. To craft the Mint Battle Axe, you'll need a few key ingredients. The most important are the fresh mints, which you'll get from breaking open that container. You'll also need 2 pieces of tough gunk, often dropped by stronger insects like ladybugs or stinkbugs. Finally, 1 mighty glob is required, which can be found by defeating specific bosses or exploring advanced areas. Once you have all your materials, head to any workbench. Make sure you've unlocked the crafting recipe for the Mint Battle Axe. Sometimes this happens automatically, or you might need to analyze certain items. Combine your 5 fresh mints, 2 tough gunk, and 1 mighty glob at the workbench. With these components, you'll forge a formidable weapon, ready for action against even the toughest foes. Your new Mint Battle Axe is a fantastic tool for both combat and resource gathering. It's especially effective at chopping down large plants and breaking through tough obstacles. Plus, its fresh damage bonus makes it incredibly potent against many of Grounded's creatures. Remember to check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This axe will make your adventures much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.